Guys, welcome to IT networking. Windows 10 for shortcuts. Windows key. I tell you how step by step. Around 40 shortcuts are important. This is Windows key. So look at your icon is the keyboard, Alt and middle of the Alt and Control. So this key use for menu screens like this is okay. And second is Windows E to open file explorer, Windows C for open chat, Windows S and Q open search online and offline. So if you press Windows S and Q to search online offline both. Windows I open setting, and Windows A open active centers, Windows N open notification centers. This is notification center, okay. And Windows H start voice typing, Windows F for open feedback hub, Windows W open gadgets, and Windows K connect to wireless device and audio device, Windows X to start context menu, Windows G for game bar, and Windows 1 2 3 there are programs to that are pinged to taskbar, Windows space to switch keyboard input language only two and more language present, like you selected language are English and Brazil's, and so this is okay. So okay, Windows R for run, do you know already? Windows P for current project, connect to project and expand to your screen, project current screen. Windows L lock your Windows 11, Windows D show desktop, Windows V show clipboard history, and Windows O change orientations, Windows M minimize all open windows, like any tab has open, so you want to minimize, so just click to Windows M to minimize all automatically, okay. Then Windows comma task pin look to desktop, you need to release the okay. Shift S capture part of the screen with the clean checked. Windows U open availability settings, Windows dot open emoji viewer, Windows B highlight the first time of the notification area and use the arrow key switch between the item, and Windows fun print screen, otherwise Windows printed screen take to screenshot of current screen of the save shots screenshots and discovery under the pictures library. Windows T cycle thought app and taskbar, Windows tab open taskbar, and Windows control plus right and left click switch the virtual desktop in the right and left, Windows down arrow snap current video window to the button of the screen, Windows down the current window of the top screen right, so same show right screen, and you press the Windows left, the snap current window to the left side of the screen, Windows D current new virtual box and switch it, and Windows current plus F4 current, close the current virtual box. So this is important shortcuts shortcut for Windows 11. So guys, you try and your daily routine use. So let's try. Okay, have any, actually around 100 plus shortcut in Windows 11, but this is very important, and this is used for daily routines. So uh, if you using shortcuts, so your work is very easily and fastly. So okay, okay guys,